You see that? There's so many balls up there. I know what to do. Look. Hey, over here. Okay, this button. I'm gonna dump all the balls down. Ready? Three, two, one.
Gulat ng DJ.
That was silly.
Ricky, I bet you can't hit
I bet you I can.
Wah, makabuya ka mo. Kita ni tibli-tibli. Nakakalimutan. Gulat lang ang
I guess you won this time. What's this? Okay, let's collect some of these colorful balls. Okay. Push the button.
Kapag yung wallet na.
Oh, wait a second. This green one didn't go to the top. This isn't a toy. This is a lime. Ooh, limes are pretty tasty, but be careful, they're really sour. Over here. Hey, over here. Hello. Hey, look at these colors. Blue, yellow, red. Awesome. Huh, I guess you spin. Let's spin.
Garay.
I'm dizzy.
Toy!
Here we go. See what numbers they roll on.
Inana na yan.
Four, so tasty. Ooh. Some more fruit. So this is a strawberry. You see it? Yeah. They're really tasty. I promise. That's really good. So as you can see, it has a red area, and then on the top, that's a cute green area. All right, let's go play some more. Hello. Hello. Hey. Oh, hey there. I was just talking to you through this yellow mirror. Interesting.
Apo,
Oh, and what's that? It's a yellow fruit. Whoa. What fruit is
Apo,
it? Yeah, it's a
Apo.
lemon.
Si Mabul sabi ni Papa, maglapit na ni mga nagbayad dun. Wala pa yung girl. Apo? Apo?
It's a brown thing hanging down right here. Whoa! Whoa! Hey, you know what this kind of reminds me of? Yeah, kind of reminds me of a fruit. Yeah, an apple. Yeah, because apples hang from trees. Oh, hey! Wow, such a conveniently placed fruit. Yeah, an apple. I love apples. They're so tasty. Have you ever had apple juice? Yum!
Apo, unahan naman.
What a tasty fruit.
Ay, wala daw ni Mama.
Whoa! That was so much fun.
Apo, tatiin kong. Okay, tawa.
Whoa! Look at this. It's a spike ball. This ball.
Pwede naglukak doon niya.
Ooh.
O pa dyan niloksam. Bakit mo ba? Na!
Okay, what else is around here? Look at this. Like you turn it, fling the balls around in a circle. See? It's drawing a circle. Wow. Okay. Look, a clown. Hello. Hello. Well, this was so much fun learning about fruit with you. That's the end of this video, though. So if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is subscribe.
Yang magkikapit. Takot ah.
Gas-gas. Apo. Apo, para naman dito tayo na. Wala. Ale! Naman sa kami! Talaga nga. Hindi niya. Cappuccino? Cappuccino.
Anong data lang?
Paano naradya eh?
Napanakad dyan.
This cube is the color blue. This cube is the color yellow. And this cube is the color red. Look at this. What? I'm gonna spin around. Wow. You gotta stay on the lawn. This cylinder has a couple colors on it. It has blue, green, and orange. Blue, green, and orange. Whoa. Whoa. There's something really spiky over here. Yellow. Green. Yellow. It's really bouncy. Oh, come up here. Look. It's a slide. Okay, I'll go down first, and then you follow, okay? Okay, stay there. I'll do it one more time. Whoa! That slide's really fun. Woo. Let's go see what else is up here. Go on. Okay, now we'll go this way. Ding, 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 ding. These are like pyramids. Look. Wow. It's a blue pyramid, yellow pyramid, green pyramid, and orange pyramid. This spiky balloon. Excited, eh? What is the color? Pink and white. That's kind of scary. It's see-through. Whoa, more big cylinders. Whoa. Yellow and red. Yellow, red, yellow, red. This is like a spider web. My leg's
Iya, wata naman ipit-ipitan kita.
Ya?
Dua nga ipit-ipitan. Gamit ko yung papatel.
Good!
tunnel. You can go first.
Kayaknya lang.
Kaya ako matapos. Hindi na.